What are you doing?
Now we're in Anchorage, Alaska. Here's Rick Man.
You know, all gangsters, man.
Hell yeah.
See, out here you got respect to get respect, you know.
Shit,
real
this
G's.
time, man. That's
Put
what
it
they
down.
talk about, dude.
We sell them kilos after helos.
Yeah, so, how's the other side of Alaska, man?
Fuck, man, I run this shit, you know. I run these streets.
I know, what is your
all
favorite
night
place,
and
man?
day. What? What's
Chuck
up?
E. Cheese.
Oh, shit.
You
No,
like
no.
that, man?
No.
Or the
Bouncing Bears, son.
Bouncing Bears, brother. Yeah, hold on.
No,
Hey,
man.
Jones.
Shell. That's my favorite
LJ.
place, man.
So tell me more about those old gangs. The Bloods.
Oh, those guys, they're okay.
Dude, how come the Bloods always act badass when they're alive, dude?
They're faggots. Because,
Faggots.
no, the only time is when it's the time of the month. Because they're bloods. They're like a period. You know, they're like periods.
Yeah.
They're females.
They always said that TMZ sucks. I was like, shit, dude.
Hey, one guy tried to cuss me. Hey, you're not going to put this on YouTube, are you?
Yeah, TMZ.
Are you going to put this
Well, it's
on
not a
YouTube?
gang, though. TMZ is not a gang. It's just
That's
a
going to be on
family.
YouTube?
Yeah.
Alright, restart the video then.
No, it's not. Brother, you said it was badass, bro. Doesn't matter, brother. He's the driver, man. He's the best.
She's like transporter. Just be like, we need a driver.
So yeah, we're at Anchorage, man.
What are you talking about? You don't sound like that, Joe.
It's really cold.
It's more like, here, let me redo that. We need a driver! I got you.
What happened, man?
Oh, Jones trying to make him sound buff.
Oh,
But really, like, when he calls up somebody, I need a driver!
Oh,
They can't go,
shit,
alright, I got you.
I got you, huh?
See this? We're on rocky terrain right now. We're on the Rocky Mountains.
Lil J.
Rocky Mountains of
Show
Alaska.
the TMZ sign one more time, man.
Right there.
Alright,
Oh,
brother.
shit.
It's not a gang. Hey, you guys remember that TMZ's not a gang. It's just the island, bro. Island crew.
It's all about the brotherhood.
It's all about the brotherhood, man.
It's all in the mind.
All in the mind, Rick. Hey, so what, Ricky? What would you say about the mountains?
Oh, we're close to it right now, you know? I've been living on this forever.
Yeah, man. What's up, Rick, man?
Making these off snow. You know how they say they make these off rocks?
Yeah.
Make it off that white powder snow.
White powders? Man.
You know? We got old school music too. We're not jizz, we're G's.
Alright, Jones. It's freaking cold, man. Right now it's like maybe 6 degrees Fahrenheit, man. Passenger, LJ, the driver, and Rick Man is the one next to me. Yeah, and Easy. Right, you know, the cameraman. That's like. Anyways. We're still going, man. Just came from the Chinese restaurant. Right there. Well, here it's all about the white man. Hey, sing True Thug's song, dude. It doesn't matter, just the rap. I'm a True Thugs. You don't know some of them?
I do my own, you know?
Alright. He's becoming a rapper, man.
He's like,
A Chucky's rapper. Like an Island Chucky's rapper. You know what I mean? Yep, Island Chucky's rapper. He's still practicing, dude. He's good, man.
But I got that island flow.
Yeah. Yeah. He's from Chuk, from let's say he's from Bada, something like that. Yeah. Hey, sing Chabuzo, man. Go.
Which one?
Fan ni Monfus.
What do they going? They call me someone, always hooked on Patron, cause I be in the king, the one on the throne.
Oh shoot,
you know,
man.
That's just,
What's up, brother? That's what's up, brother. Hey, just do the regular one, original. Fan ni Monfus. Go.
I don't really know it, but I'll try to lay it down.
Yeah, just go.
He goes a little something like this. Fanny Morphus. Oh, wait. Is that mine?
You can't do anything. Yeah, that's yours, but just do the regular.
Fanny Morphus. Dude, what was his?
Uman vodka, Gelio orange juice.
Got more vodka, orange juice. It's something.
Well, we don't know. TMC.
Oh, you know? Yeah, you guys up for the link, though?
Where's the leg at? Oh, the one over there? TMC, True Micronesian Crew. Please don't be hating.
We home, son.
Well, if you guys want to see our videos, just go to www.youtube/tmcislandbrothers.com. Oh, see you guys later, because we're at the house right now. Oh, no. I'll just try. It's like 7 minutes and 6 seconds. Now we're off.
Hey, transporter, you're leaving? You're leaving?
Alright, shoot, man. TMC.